do need a picture with all of you guys.
Y'all, we're from out of this world, y'all. You can call us space cowboys.
And then I'm the odd one because I'm wearing a ducky.
Get those views.
Freaking love it. Let's go.
Dude, what time is it right now? It's like 7, I think. 7:15. Still very early. Yeah, I don't think they like close off the streets till like 10.
9.
Oh, 9? Oh, 9. Oh my God.
Anthony, get over here.
Cosmonauts. Walk in the back.
I've never been here before.
Yeah, it keeps on changing. Do I get a glow stick?
Wait, I'm off with those. You have one over. Give it up.
Y'all get a glow stick.
We got Godzilla. We got.
Dude, it's hot out here. Dude, it's really hot.
Want a scoop stack?
You have to go.
Love it. Love it.
It was in literally 6 minutes. And I just wanted to.
Yo, we gotta kill this bottle. Oh.
You too, man. Cheers. Cheers, buddy. Cheers, buddy. Oh my God. Love it. It's a video? It's a video. Yeah!
Let's go!
We're on the moon!
Hold on. Where's my phone?
Your phone is dead. They banned TikTok.
She's a duck, the space duck.
I'm a picture of all of y'all. Let's go. My phone is
We need a
dead.
picture.
Fuck.